Well, I just picked up an old Lincoln welder. I had it given to me. Oddly enough, this is actually the second one I've picked up in the last couple of years. Unfortunately, this one was sitting in a dirt floor garage. It's kind of seen better days. I mean, it might still work, but I think this is a case where I don't know if anybody's really going to want to use this thing, since it looks pretty bad. Market on these things isn't really good. I mean, I've seen them go for basically nothing at some auctions, but there ought to be a good amount of copper inside there in the transformer. And I also got a good bunch of lead here. That's probably good heavy copper cable. Can maybe make some jumper cables out of those. Not going to get rid of that. So as much as I hate to do it, I think this old Tombstone's going to the graveyard. Yeah, knew that was going to happen. Ain't going to hurt to resell. There's the coil. Maybe not as much as I was expecting. You know, if you remove all the bolts, stuff actually comes apart. That's cool. Alright, chop her up. Not even sure what we got going on here. We got aluminum strips. That's got to be copper down there. Alright, we gotta see what's up here. No way. Can't believe it. All aluminum. Huh, well, so much for that. Wasn't expecting that. Gonna salvage what we can.